sense of service and love of country is extremely important to me and drives a lot of what I want to do in life. To just understand what it is that you're actually living in and protecting and why it's worth sacrificing for. And I love what I do. I guess the first word that would pop in my mind of what I think of is pride, honor, for everybody that's worn it before and all the sacrifices that have come way before me that were way more in depth than anything I'll ever get to do. To get to wear the same uniform as them is a blessing, and I just hope I can always do the best that I can to honor it. I'm in a task force with lots of medical providers and nurses and lots of people with other wonderful skill sets, all with the purpose of making sure that people's mental health quality stays high while they're here. Anytime anybody's put into an environment where it's high stress, they're missing their families and they're missing home, and that goes, of course, for the patients as well as the staff members, people can start to decline rapidly. So we're here just to try and provide, that high quality, compassionate, effective, efficient care, if you will, for patients, staff, service members, anybody that needs it, so that we can all get out of here essentially physically whole and mentally whole. It feels really good. It's not every day that you get to put on the uniform and then work here in your own homeland doing what you're actually, doing in the armed forces. So I think it's awesome to be able to work in this capacity here directly with the American public that we serve. And I think it's great for them to be able to see that we're not just this entity that's overseas, keeping, conflict at bay from coming to our shores, but that we're truly here, real, in real life, working with them directly at home. So my husband is also in the Army Reserves, and he is an occupational therapy assistant, and he is currently also on this mission, but with a different task force serving in Boston. We're very aware that one of us may be at home one time while somebody else goes, off on a mission and vice versa, but we make it work, talk on the phone and support each other that way, and we both know it's not forever, so. Such an amazing experience, and it just brings so much more to one's life to be able to really feel like you're doing your part to keep the country that you live in great. And I couldn't have it another way. So if I could tell anybody else that's thinking about it when they're young, it would just be, go for it. There's some lessons that you can't teach your kids well unless they actually can live it and feel it also. And I feel like, selfless service and patriotism is one of those lessons that you can read about and you can talk about, but unless they actually understand, oh, this is what it means to do that, it's hard to really grasp and push down as a core value. And so I hope that my kids will take this experience and grow positive thoughts with it. So I hope my kids do. I really do. I'm Nathalie Diethrich, and I'm a psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner in the Army Reserves. And I'm here in Detroit as part of the COVID response team with my fellow teammates, and we're just proud to be able to help.